Filipino activists and community advocates rallied in front of Alaris Health at the fountains in Secaucus, New Jersey. The rally was organized by Anak Bayan, New Jersey, and the Filipino workers in organizing projects to make demands for two former employees. Yolando and Bernadette were both dietary aides for Alaris up until May 29, 2014, where they were suspended for allegedly stealing frozen foods. Now, they were also terminated on July 10th, 2014. This case was not properly investigated, and as due-paying members of 1199J union, this suspension and eventual termination was in direct violation of Article 27.
This formation was largely due to the approach that was made to several Jersey City organizations and community activists as soon as Bernadette and Yolando were unjustly terminated from this exact site. I know that the workers inside can hear us. To have the management rely on the fact that they are not familiar with the arbitration process, with the due process that will allow them their full rights here as workers. Everybody who speaks against the truth of what actually happened on May 29th is complicit in the breach of Simon and De Leon's workers' rights.
We're here with a group of other organizations echoing the just demands of Bernadette De Leon and Yolando who were dietary aides working here at Alaris Health, and they were unjustly terminated over a year ago. They were suspended without reason and then later terminated without due process. So while they're at arbitration proceedings today with their union representative and their employer or former employer, we're here at Alaris Health to protest and stand with them, echoing their demands.
Hey, hey, ho, ho. Let's go. Hey, hey, ho, ho.
Now, I have with me a copy of the letter that Anak Bayan actually drafted and sent to Patricia Myers. Patricia Myers is one of the administrators who terminated the two Filipino workers. Right here are 5 main demands. The first demand is, of course, the clearing of the 2 names, Yolando and Bernadette De Leon, that their jobs be reinstated. There should be a public apology made by Patricia Myers. They should receive back pay starting from May 29th when they were suspended. And of course, a demand for Patricia Myers to be terminated. Now, the arbitration will continue on January 28th. For more updates, please continue to follow us. I'm Jeanette Jozu, Hudson County View, the eye of the community.